Hello there techies, my name is Malevasada and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we will take a look at how can you create a page template so that other users can use that page template and can create the pages. We are in the site pages document library of the IT department communication site, and I have two additional columns as well, the department and topic. I have several departments and I have several topics. What you want to do is when a user creates a page, they should be able to specify the department and the topic right on the page itself, so that when anybody views that article, anybody views that content, they know that this content belongs to this department, this content belongs to this specific topic. That's the objective, and that's the reason we want them to use a template and not the out-of-the-box page templates. So let's get started. First, I'm just going to create a new site page, and let me provide the title, and I'll call it as the IT and site page template. I will be turning off the comments. Click on see all web parts and look for properties. You can see the page properties. Click on page properties, and you would like to add the page properties. So we want to have a department. Let's add one more page property, and that will be the topic. Okay, so we have the department and topic on this page, and then user can go ahead and actually write the content. So that's it. Let's go and publish this. Right now what we are doing is we are just publishing the page. Page is published. And you can see another option that comes up which says save as page template. Okay, so now we need to click on this. Let's click and save page as template. Now you can see this is a page template saved on your site. So let's see and let's validate what has just happened. When we open the site pages, you will see that now we have another folder called templates just created few seconds ago, and within the template, the page that we actually have worked with it is now available here, and it is in the checked out state. So what we need to do is go ahead, click on more and check that in. You will say a major version and check in. So now it is available as a page template. So if we flip over and log in as another user, I'm logged in as Adel Vance. So let's click new page saved on this site, and you can see IT department site page template, and we have a department and topic which we already have added. So then you can click on create page, and it will automatically come up, and we will also be able to select the department and template. We can click on page details, select the department, let's say sales, topic 2, and then I can put in some content there, text, all right. And you can see draft not save. You can actually go ahead and save as draft or even publish it. It is published. So now if you open this site page, so if you see we have IT department site page template created. When you click on this, it will appear as a sales, topic 2 and the content. Now let's say you already have some page and you would like to promote that page as a template. So let's say we have about IT and we would like this page to be acting as a template. Let's see how can we achieve this using PnP PowerShell. Now I have already imported the PnP PowerShell module, and I am also connected with the IT department side by providing the client ID and interactive. So now let's go ahead and get the page first. So we'll call it a variable $page, get PnP client side page, will provide the identity about-it.aspx, and now $page dot save as template, and we will specify page dot page title. Okay, and that's it. Let's hit run. Okay, the execution completed. Let's go and validate. If we now go to the templates, you can see about-it.aspx is also a template saved on the site, and you will also see we have about-it. When you click on that, you also get the preview of that page template. Users can use these page templates and can create the pages. So I hope this simple example helped you to understand how can you create a page templates using UI, and also how can you promote any existing page as a template using PnP PowerShell. I thank you so much for watching the video.